Bingo Cache can lag on older phones when the device is running low on available storage, memory, or system resources. So the fastest fix is to reduce the load on the phone before reinstalling the app. By the end, you'll know which phone settings to check, what to change inside Bingo Cache, and when the problem is likely related to the device rather than the app. Start by closing every app running in the background. On an older Android phone, open the Recent Apps screen and close apps you are not using. On an iPhone, open the App Switcher and remove unnecessary apps from the recent list. Then reopen Bingo Cache and test the same screen that was lagging. Next, check your phone's available storage. If the device is nearly full, remove large videos, unused apps, downloads, or other files you no longer need. You can check storage from your phone's settings menu. Freeing space gives the operating system more room to manage the app and other background processes. The next step is updating Bingo Cache. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Bingo Cache, and check whether an update button is available. If an update is available, install it before testing the game again. Also check for a system update. On Android, look under Settings and System or Software Update, depending on the phone. On iPhone, go to Settings, General and Software Update. Install an available update if your device supports it. If you're using Android and Bingo Cache is still lagging, clear the app's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Bingo Cache, Storage, then choose Clear Cache. Do not select Clear Data unless you understand that it can remove locally stored app information or require you to sign in again. On iPhone, there isn't a standard Clear Cache button for individual apps. If restarting and updating don't help, you can delete Bingo Cache and reinstall it from the App Store. Make sure you know your account login details before removing the app. If the lag happens only inside Bingo Cache while other apps work normally, the issue may be specific to the app or your device's compatibility. If the entire phone is slow, the problem is more likely related to the phone itself. So, check these in order. Close background apps, free storage, update Bingo Cache, update the phone, and then use the appropriate cache or reinstall option for your device. Your practical next step is to restart the phone after making these changes and test Bingo Cache again. If the app still lags while everything else works normally, contact Bingo Cache support with your phone model, operating system version, and a description of where the lag occurs. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cache fixes.